To create a vision board, you're going to need magazines, paper, glue, and a pair of scissors. The first step includes looking through a magazine and cutting out things that inspire you. Once you have cut a few images of inspiration, you will then begin to organize and glue them to your piece of paper. And just like that, you're all done with your vision board. For example, I'm happy to describe mine. I've included images that share my passions of mental health, feminism, wanting to make healthier choices and try new food, improving my Spanish, and wanting to create a better world, and more. I hope you enjoy your vision board. Thanks for watching.